like, share, and subscribe.
Hello, innovators. Novation Hub has launched an all-in-one robotics kit that helps you innovate and create diverse projects that you have always wanted to. This is video number 9 in the series of projects you can create using this kit. In this tutorial, you will see how to make an obstacle avoiding car using an ultrasonic sensor, motors, and other mechanical parts along with the Novation brain. This project helps students understand the use of ultrasonic sensors and motors and their connection with the Novation brain, and also how to make a rover using the mechanical parts provided in the kit. Components required for making this project are Novation brain, chassis, ultrasonic sensor, BO motor 2 in quantity, BO motor clamp, wheels 75 mm 2 in quantity, caster wheel, nuts and bolts, metal spacer, jumper wires male to female 12 in quantity. Let's start making the rover for obstacle avoiding car. First, connect the motors on the chassis using the BO motor clamp. Then connect the caster wheel on the chassis. At last, connect the wheels to the motors. Now connect the Novation brain on the chassis using the metal spacers provided in the kit. Now connect the ultrasonic sensor on chassis. Now the body of the rover is assembled. Let's start making the connections of the obstacle avoiding car. First, connect the motor pins with the Novation brain. Connect the motor wires with the output ports provided on the board for motors. Connect the left motor with the left port and the right motor with the right port. Connect the IN1 of motor to digital pin number 12 of the Novation brain. Connect the IN2 of motor to digital pin number 11 of the Novation brain. Connect the IN3 of motor to digital pin number 5 of the Novation brain. Connect the IN4 of motor to digital pin number 3 of the Novation brain. Now connect the ultrasonic sensor with the brain. Connect the VCC pin of the ultrasonic sensor to the 5-volt pins provided on the Novation brain. Connect the ground of the ultrasonic sensor to the extra ground pins provided on the Novation brain. Connect the trigger pin of the ultrasonic sensor to digital pin number 9 of the Novation brain. Connect the echo pin of the ultrasonic sensor to digital pin number 8 of the Novation brain. The connection of the project is now complete. Now let's see how to write a program for the obstacle avoiding car and upload it on the board. In this step, we define the logic pins of the Novation brain connected to the ultrasonic sensor and motors. The ultrasonic sensors, trigger, and echo pins are connected to digital pin number 9 and 8, and the motors are connected to digital pin number 12, 11, 5, 3 of the Novation brain. The trigger pin of the ultrasonic sensor is used as output pin and the echo as input pin. In this step, the logic of the code is defined, which is the code for the obstacle avoiding car. Please note, the flowchart of the logic of the code is given below. Now upload the code of the obstacle avoiding car on the board. Let's see the working of obstacle avoiding car. After programming the board and providing power to it, when we leave the robot on the floor, it starts moving and the ultrasonic sensor starts detecting the obstacles. If any obstacle is detected by the sensor, one of the rover's motors rotates in reverse direction as instructed by us through the program, and it changes its direction, thus avoiding the obstacle. Let's revise what we learned from this video. We learned how to use the ultrasonic sensor and the motors. We learned how to connect the ultrasonic sensor and motors with the Novation brain. We also learned how to make an obstacle avoiding car using the Novation brain. Let's find out the application of ultrasonic sensor and motors in our lives. Ultrasonic sensors can be used for making a radar. It can be used for making a blind stick as well. These sensors along with motors can be used for making a human following robot or a follow me robot. Hope you have liked this tutorial. Thank you.
Like, share and subscribe.